I have two data frames here, df and df1. Now these data frames are identical. They both have country, they both have participants, they both have age, they both have region, and they both have coordinates. To be able to analyze the data contained in these data frames, I need to combine them. And to do that, I need to concatenate these data frames, one underneath the other. And here's how I do that. I'm going to concatenate them into a data frame called df2. And df2 is going to be equal to pd dot concat, open and close parentheses, and then inside the square brackets I'm going to say that I'm concatenating df and df1, and then I run this, and then now df2 looks like that. Now this data frame df2 has been successfully concatenated. You see now the country goes all the way down to Namibia, the participants, the age, the region, and so forth. However, the index is not successfully or correctly concatenated. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, which means that it retains the index of the old data frames. To fix this index problem, we need to go back to our concatenation function, and we need to say ignore underscore index. So ignore the indexes of the old data frames, and we're going to make that true. And what that is going to do is it's going to create df2, a new data frame, which is a concatenation of df and df1 with its own index 0 to 6. See you in the next video. Cheers.